I'm sorry, Ralph. What was it you wanted to tell me?
First, it looks like I won't be needing this lunchbox much longer.
Oh, Ralph, you're going on a diet.
No, I'm not going on a diet.
Well, why would you need this lunchbox? Are you getting a bigger one?
Bang zoom! Anyways, potion 75. Saul, hide and seek Saul, had been found and presented to the people as king. The monarchy of Israel had begun. The question was, now what? 1 Samuel 10:25. Samuel told the people the manner of the kingdom, wrote it in a book, and laid it up before the Lord. Samuel sent all the people away, every man to his house. Saul also went home to Gibeah, and there went with him a band of men whose hearts God had touched. But the children of Belial said, How shall this man save us? They despised him, brought him no presents, but he held his peace. Though God had not wanted them to have a king quite yet, he gave them one nonetheless. Then he in mercy went even a step further and reached out to touch the hearts of the men of Israel to follow the new king. And that happened. 2 different responses, 2 different kinds of men emerged. There were those whose hearts the Lord touched. There were those who would not respond. They were called children of Belial, meaning vain, profane people. They despised Saul and disrespected the new king both by speaking against him and also by not bringing him a present to help his kingdom rule get up and running. How did Saul respond to that insulting treatment? He held his peace. How different from Saul in the established years of his monarchy, when even perceived insults that were not really real drew his full wrath and ire. Do be in the habit of letting some things go. If you spend your life responding to every insult and slight, you will never accomplish much. No freight train would ever get to its destination if it stopped to argue with every chihuahua barking at it as it rolls down the tracks.
I would say you should let some things go, but you let them really, really go.
You're not stopping this train, little chihuahua. Folks, have a blessed day.